guys, I know I said no work today because it is weekend, but there's something I quickly want to share with you guys. Developers like myself, we struggle to make curves with images. I mean, if you are using coding to be less challenging because coding is more flexible, but if you are using WordPress, it will be more challenging because WordPress is less flexible. So from this image now to this, you see the curves there. So if you want to make something like this or even something better than this, just however you want your curves. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my Elementor because that's the editor I'm using. Open your Elementor. I don't know the editor you're using. You might be using WP Bakery or DV editor, whatever you're using. Just follow this stuff. It doesn't really matter. So you click on your image here. You just have to highlight your image, and then you go to advanced. So you go to your ID, class ID. You can use CSS class or CSS ID. Just put your CSS class there. So this is the class I want to use here because I'll be writing custom CSS. That's why I'm putting this class here in this place. You can use this ID. You can use CSS class or you can use CSS ID. I'm using ID because ID is way more effective. So what you want to do now is you go to this website. This website here. It is called Fancy Border Radius. I'll put the link in the description. You can find it there. So this is the place you are going to be making the course. Just do your course however you want it. You can just do this, or maybe you want it this way, or you want to copy to this side or this side. So you just have to copy it however you want it. This is what I have currently made now. But let me make it a little bit creative. Yeah, this. Just copy it, then go to you, go back to your WordPress. You go to okay, go back to WordPress. So you go to WordPress under appearance, you find customize. So this is the place we are going to be adding our custom CSS. But if you are using Elementor Pro, you don't have to be come to this place to add your custom CSS because Elementor Pro offer that. So you just go to your additional CSS, put your ID here, the ID you have added there. You need a little bit knowledge of CSS to do this because you are working with CSS. This is how ID works. You must put this hash here. If it is class you are using, you must put dots, but it is ID we are using, so we are putting this hash here. So what we are going to be doing now is I want to make this easy for us. So I'll use ChatGPT so that you guys can also use ChatGPT. Just come to this place and tell ChatGPT what you want. Um, I want to apply this curve, this border radius to this image ID. So here is the image ID, and here is the border radius. So you let ChatGPT do the work for you. So now that ChatGPT has given us the code, you just have to copy it and go to your customize, then just paste the code here. So we have to change this now. We have to change this to hash because you are not using class. If you are using ID, you just change this to class. It's not really taking any effect here. So we have to publish so that it will be live. Then in Elementor here, make sure that you have your ID here in this place. In the ID you'll be using here, you don't have to add the hash here. You don't need it here. So just put the name. Make sure the name is the same as the name here. Just remove the hash. That's all. And I've already published here too. So let's come back to this place and refresh. Let's see if it works. So guys, you see it works. So see the shape I have now. It looks like an arc. So let's go to this place again. I would like to change this shape a little bit. Uh, this thing can be confusing to adjust sometimes, so you just have to play around with it to know how it really works. So copy, go back to your customize and paste. Again, publish. Make sure you publish. Then can go refresh. refresh. So that's it. I hope you guys understand what I've been saying so far. And if you have any question, drop a comment. I will respond to you. I'll be dropping the links to the site and the code I use. I'll be dropping everything in the description. Make sure to give me a follow if this video helped you. Cheers. Have a great weekend.